Imagine turning on a brand new TV in 2025 and realizing the cheaper model might actually outperform the expensive one. That's exactly what happened when I tested the Hisense U8Q against the LG G5 OLED, and the results weren't what I expected. The question is simple. Can a $1,000 mini LED really compete with a $3,000 flagship OLED? Or is the internet overhyping budget brightness once again? Right away, the Hisense U8Q hits you with its insane peak brightness and flashy HDR highlights. But dig deeper and some of those big marketing claims start falling apart, especially when blooming, dirty screen effect and zone flickers show up in darker scenes. Meanwhile, the LG G5 delivers perfect black levels, cleaner motion, and that signature OLED depth. But the price tag still makes you wonder if most people will ever see the difference, especially in bright living rooms. During testing, I ran into unexpected issues on both sides. The U8Q had panel uniformity problems and occasional dimming pulses, while the G5 showed minor image retention risk and a warranty that left me raising an eyebrow for a TV this expensive. Gaming also wasn't as straightforward as the spec sheets suggest. The U8Q's high refresh rate and snappy response looked great until blooming around HUD elements became distracting, while the G5's near-instant pixel transitions were impressive, but not always bright enough for competitive play in a well-lit room. And yes, real users are complaining too. Blooming, backlight artifacts, dark scene flicker, and uneven panels are popping up across forums. So which flagship wins in 2025? Honestly, it depends on your space, your lighting, your habits, and what flaws you're actually willing to live with, because neither TV is perfect, and the best choice might not be the one with the bigger price tag.